Hi guys, thanks for joining me. Jean here with more Mars anomalies. I'll be looking at another HiRISE photo taken in 2008 called Chaotic Terrain at Exit of Ravi Vallis. I hope I've pronounced that right. Guys, the first anomaly I found was this one right here. Looks like a megalith, monolith type of anomaly, standing straight up with quite a shadow. Looks as if it could be quite tall, guys. Otherwise, this is just evidence of some liquid flowing onto the surface there. Not quite sure what to make of that anomaly, guys. Just speculating that it could be a potential megalith. Next one, it's in this crater. Guys, look at this shape over here. Totally out of place if you look at the parallel lines that these dunes are making. And we've got this odd shape right there in the center. Guys, could this be an impact site? Could something have crashed here? Doesn't look as if it could be a small meteorite. The shape looks quite out of place, quite artificial. I don't know, what do you make of this? Yeah, do you think it could be an impact site? Quite strange, very weird looking anomaly that. And then this one here, guys, I found another bright spot, but what makes this one different is I found this in the black and white JP2 and not the RGB map projected image. If you look at one of my earlier posts, I found what I called a bright blue object. It was right there, guys. This was in the RGB. So that was on the blue filter. This, on the other hand, is the black and white, guys. So could this be a cosmic ray, some static discharge on the camera itself that caused this anomaly? I zoomed in closer here and it looks, if it is not caused by a cosmic ray or some static discharge on the camera, it looks like that could be some motion blur there, guys. But this object is pretty small. So if it's unnatural, it's very, very small, guys. I'll take you to the blog entry for this towards the end of the presentation. Then the other anomaly I found, guys, was this. Look at the shape that these two dunes are making here, guys. Yeah, they look pretty random around here, but then over here they seem to have some shape. I found that quite anomalous, guys. If you look over there, there's this funny little V shape. That's it, there's close up. Could that be just natural occurring rock formations? Could that be a crashed craft or some type of tech? Guys, I don't know what to make of this one. But this here just looked highly irregular to me. That's what I see, guys. Over here as well, look at all these dunes, they're pretty grey. And right there we've got a very bright spot. And I zoomed in on it, guys. This could be natural, but if you look at it in context of all these other dunes, that seems to be quite out of place. What could be causing that bright spot there, guys? I don't know. Just thought I'd show you this one. And then, guys, in this pit or crater, if you look at the HiRISE photo, all the pits and craters seem to be pretty bland and you know, normal looking, but look at this one. It looks as if that could be liquid or traces of liquid, maybe water, ice. I'm not sure, guys. This is on the equator, so this could be liquid. I'm not quite sure. And over there looked as if those could be trees or vegetation growing there in the shallows. Guys, I zoomed in and I don't know what to make of these dark brown spots. They could be rocks or something like that. Who knows, guys? Look at this. They seem to be spread out over there. But this looks as if it could have been filled with water once. Could that be water right now? It's difficult to say with the black and white. Guys, next one was this dune over here. I just thought I'd throw this one in. Very strange looking dune. If you look at this area over here, guys, these dunes seem to be pretty far apart, which is quite odd. Look how clean this area around here looks, and we've got that one solitary dune there, guys. Hopefully that is a dune, otherwise that's something that could be artificial as well. Highly unlikely though, guys. I think that could be natural, but it just looks odd to see how far apart these dunes are spread and how clean the area around it is. Okay, guys, that is the end of the anomalies I could find in this photo. Here's the website. I'll include the URL for you in the description below as always. So the photo was taken on the 29th of May 2008. So quite long ago, guys. Here's what the photograph looks like. The normal JP2. Quite a couple of really dark dunes. This black data loss, potentially data loss in the transmission. Also quite an interesting photo. If you guys can have a look at the JP2. The area towards the right over here I found quite interesting, guys. I just can't find it right now. There was a row of funny anomalies that looked like air traps, but anyway, guys, I'll try and do another video on that. If I can recall correctly, they ran across there. Okay, so the bright blue object that I found was in another HiRISE photo, guys. This was in the RGB. That was the colored version, but when I downloaded the black and white, that object wasn't visible there, guys. So this 10:1 was caused by a cosmic ray strike on the L7 blue filter. I'll include the link to this blog entry and video for you guys below as well. So, what caused this bright object in this photo, guys? Oh, where is it? There we go. Could this be an artificial object or just some type of camera defect or artifact? I don't know, guys, it's the only one I could find in this HiRISE photo. So anyways, that's the end of this presentation, guys. Thanks for watching. Keep well, be safe, and I'll see you in the next video.